Hello friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel Exam 4. In this video, we came with some more important GK questions which is related to Indian geography. So these questions will be very useful in competitive exams like SSC, bank exams and other similar exams. So now we will see the questions in detail. First question. Which of the following countries are divided by the Durand line? Here there are 4 options. You can select the correct answer from the given options. And you can comment your answer in the comment section. And the correct answer is option 2, Afghanistan and Pakistan. These two countries are divided by the Durand line. Next question. Which of the following countries are divided by the Red Cliff line? And the answer is option 4, India and Pakistan. These two countries are divided by the Red Cliff line. Next question. Which of the following coast where is Gulf of Mannar located? You can comment your answer in the comment section. And the correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Gulf of Mannar is located in Tamil Nadu. Next question. Which of the following countries are divided by the Durand line? And the answer is Afghanistan and Pakistan. Next question. What is the name of southernmost hill ranges in India? Select the correct answer from the given options. And the correct answer is option 3, Cardamom Hills. It is the southernmost hill ranges in India. Next question. Which of the following region is famous for the lion-tail macaw? And the correct answer is Western Ghats of Kerala. Next question. Consider the following statement regarding Andaman and Nicobar Island. First statement, it enjoys equatorial climate. And second option, this is the only place in India where a volcano is located. And third statement, this is the only place in India where coral bed is found. So now, which of the above statement are correct? And the correct answer is option 2. Both 1 and 2 statement are correct. Andaman and Nicobar Islands enjoys equatorial climate and this is the only place in India where a volcano is located. Next question. Which of the following factor is responsible for low rainfall in the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats? And the correct answer is their leeward location. This is responsible for the low rainfall in the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats. Next question. Consider the following statement which is related to the Western Himalayas. First option. Lie to the west of 80° east longitude between the Indus and Kali River. Second statement. Vegetation consists mostly of alpine and coniferous forest. So now, from the above statement, which is correct? And the correct answer is both 1 and 2 statements are correct. Western Himalayas lie to the west of 80 degrees east longitude between Indus and Kali River. And vegetation consists mainly of alpine and coniferous forest. Last question. Where is the Duncan Pass located? And the correct answer is it is located in South and Little Andaman. So these are all the questions which are related to Indian geography. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.